What's up, guys? Today I'm going to check this homemade helicopter, should I say chopper, to determine will it fly or not. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So I'm gonna power with my same old power bank like this one. So that it did fly. I didn't pull the wire, but it did fly. Same old principle is happening on it. That when the rotator spin, the back of the helicopter will also is gonna spin, and if the back wing is not available on a helicopter, it will also rotate like this. So I'm gonna keep trying and take the perfect angle. So when it spins, it goes like on the another direction. You see that it did fly. It just fly like in this angle because of that instability. Yeah, you see that it did fly. Just fly like in this direction and then this stage. So I just need to take a perfect angle to determine it. Now I got the perfect angle here, and I'm gonna determine it. I hope that is captured in that camera. I swear I didn't pull the wire. My bad. Looks like the motor is warming up. See that? It did fly. So at the end, the chances is 50-50. So I just need a better propeller or something, and that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it and subscribe to my channel. That's it.